if there's one bloke that's just like smashed the mould, and it's truly changing the game with how we think about fish.
Yeah.
Like, it's you.
Yeah.
So I just want to sort of go back and, like, when was the moment when the penny dropped and thought, I've just tapped into this resource that no one else is doing?
I put all the chef's attention into looking at the habitual routine of how you cut a fish. And I think you would agree to this, that when you put a knife in, you follow the rhythm of the work. And whether that's breaking down a pig or breaking down a fish, it's just, there's movements that you make. And I think for noticing how frequent that toss to the bin was, that then we just replaced it with a tray on the bench, and we accumulated what otherwise would have gone in the bin. And then we just pushed the fillet aside. Obviously that sells itself.
Yeah.
And then we looked at what was left, so the sundries, and what can we do with that? And the easiest way of bringing creativity to the less desirable was, let's think of all this as meat.
Your food now is accessible and fun, and something like this, where it looks incredibly simple, but I know the work that's gone into this. So just chat about this dish.
What you've got there is a Murray cod that's been aged for 5 to 6 days, and we do that to get that skin condition nice and dry, but also to lose some moisture internally and promote some of the fat, because this fish is real fatty. So if you can drop some moisture from it and promote more fat, then you get more flavour. And the flesh, because you're cooking the fish on the bone, you're benefiting from all that gelatin and stickiness, so it coats your palate. And the sauce is a beast of its own.
Mate, that's incredible. Well, I'm going to create more of a sort of home-style fish burger. I'm going to flavour the flour with Marcel vegetable stock, so you get a real depth of flavour, make it super crispy. But this is amazing, mate. It's an honour to chat to you.
Oh,
like,
thanks.
Just what you do, we're so proud.
Thank you.